The most complex thing usually to understand in rugby is the breakdown. It has a few rules, so let's go through them and try to understand the breakdown as quickly as possible. When a player with the ball is tackled by an opposition player by using their arms and tackling below the neck and is brought to the ground, a tackle is then formed. This is then known as the tackle. The tackler must then release the carrier and cannot impede the tackle player on the ground. They can rejoin the ruck by rolling away and can come from the back foot of their own player, known as the gate. While on the ground, they cannot disrupt the ball carrier or disrupt the play on the ruck. While the carrier is on the ground, they have a couple of seconds to decide what to do next. They can either place the ball for the scrum half or they can pop the ball to a teammate. Note that the carrier is not held on the ground and the tackle has not been formed. After the tackle has been formed, both players' teammates can come into the area. If the tackler's teammate arrives first, then they have the ability to take the ball from the opposition. Note they must support their own weight and the opposition cannot hold on to the ball or they will be penalized. This is then known as a steal. But if the carrier's teammate arrives first, or the tackler's steal doesn't manage to steal the ball, then a ruck has been formed. A ruck is a pushing contest between two or more players for possession of the ball. There is an offside line at the last feet of the tackle player, as seen over here. The ball can only be won by the players rucking and moving the opposition away and by hooking the ball backwards with your legs. By pausing the video, you can note other things that you're not supposed to do in a ruck. For more information, consult the World Rugby Handbook or speak to your local referees for more descriptions about the ruck.